Hello and welcome to another update video on Link. I'm here on the Chainlink chart. I'm on the 1 hour time frame, and you can see that, the market rallied towards this trend line, and we haven't even touched it yet. Just nearly touched it. And so the price is currently trying here. Price is trying to form some kind of a pullback. The price broke below the lower boundary line of this price channel after this B wave formed the top. So we're now likely in the C wave here to the downside. And you can see that in this C wave, we have 3 waves so far. So just to be very clear, I've got 5 waves up, A wave down, B wave up, and maybe now a C wave to the downside. That C wave should turn into a 5-wave pattern. Gotta say, the 5-wave pattern is not guaranteed, of course, but usually a C wave should form 5 waves. So either way, it seems like a pullback of sorts is unfolding. I shared with you already yesterday that we have let's say the minimum requirements for a 5-wave sequence to the upside. Minimum requirements are fulfilled. What does that mean? It just means that all 5 waves are completed. Doesn't mean that we have to get a pullback, but it then becomes always more likely. Why is this important? 5 waves, because the 5-wave sequence is exactly what we need to get a first indication that the bulls are making a comeback. So it's, let's say cautiously optimistic we can be, but it's nothing to get really excited about, because first of all, we haven't broken above any resistance level. And second point is, this is a very, very small and weak 5-wave move up. It's not an impulse. It's only a diagonal pattern. We haven't broken above the yellow trend line. We haven't broken above the green confirmation line. None of them. There are 2, $14 and $14.52. These are the next key resistances. So what do we want next? Well, ideally, if this pullback has really started, the market should hold above the $12 to $12.78 area, or at least not break below it. So I mean, the test is fine, but we just shouldn't break below it. If it happens, then a new low is likely coming, and I'm talking about a new low below the November lows. And I want to see from this area, ideally, an impulsive upside reaction, which then takes the price higher above these green lines. And then this is likely going to be the 3rd wave. And then another 4, 5. And that gives us a larger time frame 5-wave sequence. And that's actually what we need. We need to see these 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is really needed. Without these 5 waves, I gotta say the overall upside reversal pattern is very, very questionable, and still very weak. But I mean, the bulls are trying, right? But again, it's very difficult to distinguish this move up from this. In the subwave structures, this down here looks a little bit more like a 5-wave move up than this up here, which means it can be a bit more optimistic, but still overall, there are certain conditions. You know now what the key support levels are. There is a first attempt of an upside reversal, but overall it's still very, very weak, which means next week, maybe next 1 or 2 weeks, all eyes need to be on this micro support zone between $12 and $12.78. So that's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our membership. At the moment, we have our Black Friday week offers here. There's a 20% discount code for our annual memberships for the first year. It's all described here. So the first year gives you 20% off. The annual membership is already discounted. So if that's the case, then you get obviously an additional discount on that. And you can join the MCO family. As a gold member, you can join our Discord server. You can attend the weekly live streams. You get, basically the whole package, the whole experience, the full experience. There are many, many updates. Like, you'll probably get like more than 50 coins updated per week, because at least 30 in the member live streams. You can request coins in the live streams. There's an Elliott Wave course, even bonus updates on gold and silver. Check it out. See you there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.